What?
When you work with MVP.
Yeah, you work with us. We bring the dolphins.
Dolphins?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is 6:30 a.m. here, headed out to Opelika Airport, which is a private small plane airport. We're flying out to the Bahamas today. We're going to be shooting a 130-ish, 150-ish foot boat, charter shoot video, 2-day shoot for marine video production. A little complicated with the whole visa situation, so not exactly sure how many models are going to be joining us, because not all of them went through the proper procedures, the negative COVID tests and all that. Headed to the airport right now. I'll see you guys in the Bahamas.
Turn the party out.
We've arrived here in beautiful Bahamas. Forgot the name of the island. Here at this 160-foot boat. We're going to be heading out today, doing a lot of lifestyle stuff, pretty much getting everything that we can done today. Weather is great, not a lot of wind, and everything is super clean and ready for us.
Thanks guys for having us here on board. You know, it's amazing to be here. My name's Bernie. We have a company called Marine Video Production. We film lots of boats and yachts for charter, for sale, and you know, we were contracted to come here and make an amazing charter photo video shoot.
Just pulled up to this beautiful spot over here. This watercolor is just amazing. There's an island over there. Might get some drone flying over the island shots. Get these water toys set up right here and get those lifestyle shots going. We just wrapped up day one here of the boat shoot, heading back on the tender. Few indoor shots, some of the cabin, some lifestyle stuff left to do yet tomorrow. Not necessarily shooting sunrise, so it's not going to be early day. So headed to the hotel and getting ready for tomorrow. So after much insistence from Bernie saying, "What the hell are you doing? Why didn't you get some sandwiches on the boat?" We end up at this spot. Cast of characters, cold beer, fried fish and pork chops, and you know, kind of a funny adventure. You know, you're welcome. Day 2 here in the beautiful Bahamas. We are headed to the island, doing some island shots. We got the crew, the models, bathing suits, sunscreen, drinks. Let's make it happen.
We just arrived on the islands of the Bahamas. We're trying to find the boat. There's nowhere to be seen, but we got some models with us. Let's go. It's so fun.
That is a wrap for our shoot out here in the Bahamas. We're a little rushed for time as things take a little bit longer out here in the Bahamas. So a little bit less things than we actually planned. But overall, I believe we have plenty of footage for a great video from out here in the Bahamas. I will see you on the next one.